Time to feed the sourdough. Here are the four tops. My sourdough starter. They do harmonize, but in this case, for flavor and for substance. I'll measure out a little from each container. The rest is discard. I'll use it later. But to what I've measured, I add equal amounts of flour, warm water, then give it a mix until the dry flour has incorporated. And I use between stone wheat, bread flour, and all-purpose flour for diverse, different profiles, if you will. But any flour you use for baking is a good start. And if you take a look at the bottom, the four tops are munching well, they're noshing, they're singing. And yes, I'm inserting some need to know information, some benefits to sourdough. It extends the shelf life of bread, is good for gut health, helps control blood sugar, and enhances energy and mood, especially in our children. This is good and happy microbiome. You see the bubbles, and the smell is amazing. You can use it in your bread dough, your pizza dough, use the discard in your muffins, your cupcakes. There are plenty of good recipes online, or just for the sourdough bread. Buy it in store. Buy it without the chemicals, the fillers, unnecessary ingredients. Just opt for better choices for you and for your family.